Welcome back to Freedom Finance with Lanny, guys. Thanks for checking back in on a late Sunday night. I've been feeling pretty under the weather the last 5 to 7 days, so apologize if my voice is a little crackly, but I wanted to do at least a short video and a quick Q3 end update on the real estate investing I've been doing, aka my passive real estate investing through Fundrise. Yes, I've been on Fundrise for quite a few years. So we'll dive into it. We'll talk about the market value, the dividend income that I've received so far year to date, how performance has been like, and what my plan and thoughts are on Fundrise going forward, guys. So grab your favorite beverage, your beer, your liquor, your wine, your coffee, that espresso, get it flowing, baby, because today we're talking about Fundrise Real Estate Investing Q3 update. Let's get it. Fundrise, right? Yeah, I've been investing with Fundrise for over 5.5 years now, actually, which is insane. Since early Q1 of 2019, been on it 5.5 plus years strong now, investing every single month pretty much on the real estate investing platform. Again, we'll get through it, but also in case you're interested, there are links in the description for Fundrise if you want to get in the real estate investing game, but you want to be a pure passive investor and you want to create that passive income stream, because that's what this guy's all about. Taking the one-time income, turning that into passive income. But back to Fundrise, guys. So Q3 is over now. Obviously, here we are, October. It's October 20th as I'm filming this. And, how has Fundrise been? Has it kept up pace with the S&P 500 performing 23+% so far this year? Or is it way different? Again, ever since I've been investing with Fundrise, you got to think there was really only one down year in 2022 in the 5 years that I've been on the platform. Now, I usually try to benchmark it more so to the REIT Index, and I'll just quickly look up REIT Performance 2024 so far, and that's pretty interesting. Again, as the interest rate reduction occurred in September here in 2024, with possibly more rates to come, maybe November, maybe December, maybe we get one, maybe we get two, but 2024 is looking to be, okay so far for REITs. I know if you've been buying Realty Income, you're probably very happy. But Fundrise, guys, remember, this is all about Fundrise Real Estate Investing platform. So how are they doing? Well, they're up this year about 5.8% so far this year, guys. So that's the performance that my portfolio has done. I have my investment split, which I have quite a bit on the platform. It's split between what they call is, private credit and pure real estate within the Fundrise platform. So I have about 27,000 invested, and it's split about 17 and 9, or 18 and 9 between the two. 9,000 in real estate and about 18,000 in private credit for the real estate deals here. So I'm up only 5.8% this year, which is obviously well below the S&P 500. Not meant to track the equity markets, not meant to track really the REIT index either. This is off exchange, off, ticker symbol stock trading, guys. So the whole point of me investing into Fundrise was I wanted an asset that doesn't track any indices, and I wanted it to provide a passive income source. So let's get into the passive income source. Let's get into that side of Fundrise Real Estate Investment Platform. So through Q3, or actually let's just call it through October 20th, I have earned $1,056 in dividends so far through today. Not bad, not terrible. Probably finish off somewhere around that $1,200, $1,300 in total dividends for this year. So about $100 a month in cash flow that Fundrise Real Estate Investing platform does for me. Now, again, this doesn't happen overnight. At least for me, it didn't. I think I started out when I started in Fundrise doing $100 a month. moved it up to probably 150, 200, 250 a month at one point, but now we're back down to doing $200 per month. So we've been doing that this year. So we've done $2,000 into Fundrise this year alone, through 10 months, $200 a month times 10 months. So, what are my expectations for Fundrise? Well, I think once we get Q4 results, we'll probably find out with the full rate cut kind of, tied in, and maybe there's some, better returns with a lower debt type of standpoint, or valuations grow a little bit. I'm expecting around a 7 to an 8% return from Fundrise this year. Probably won't know the actual market value and the performance until January of 2025. What are my expectations are for 2025 though? Let's get into that. I think 2025 is going to be a solid year for Fundrise. Again, with more rate cuts happening, with, I guess, the expectations of values in the real estate market are pointing upward, and the demand is still there. Obviously, I'm looking for a house. I've been looking for a house for like 3 years. So I know the demand for rentals and the demand for buying a house is very high. So the demand will push up that value continuously into 2025, especially if rates do come down. Obviously, if there are rate cuts, that doesn't necessarily mean a mortgage rate does drop. But if the 10-year does come down a little bit, then the 30-year mortgage more than likely should go down. So what do I plan on doing though? I'll probably stick and finish off this year, and then my wife and I will probably reevaluate come closer to that third, fourth week of December what we plan on doing with Fundrise. If we want to keep investing in it, do we want to reduce it? Do we want to increase it? I don't see us taking any of the funds out by any means, so I'm telling you guys that. But really just making sure that it fits within the grand picture of the Lanny household to get to financial freedom, guys. And I still have I've invested about $8,000 in their Fundrise internet public offering, so I own shares of Fundrise, the company, and that is currently valued over $10,000. So there's about a $2,300 appreciation, on that, I guess, shares of Fundrise that I own. I haven't seen one the last year or two to own more shares of Fundrise. Let me know in the comments if you've gotten one in 2024. I haven't yet. So I still believe in the business model. I know they're doing a lot of more, private equity, venture capital funds as well. I don't do that because that wasn't the goal with Fundrise. I feel like their bread and butter was real estate investing, so I'm sticking with that. But let me know if you guys are doing the venture capital background. Again, so that's the recap of Fundrise. Currently, have about 28,000 in the whole real estate arena on the platform, plus 8,000 that I've put into an IPO that's valued over 10,000. On my net worth statement, I only keep it as 8. I don't take into consideration the appreciation that Fundrise tells me that those shares are worth. So I've got about anywhere from $36,000 to $38,000 with Fundrise right now, doing $200 a month, expecting about $1,300 in income so far at the end of this year. When I finish off the year at $200 a month and then reevaluate come December, which I'll probably put out a video about the evaluation process. If we want to stick with 200, go less, or go more. So let me know what you guys think about Fundrise Real Estate Investing. Do you guys still use the platform? Do you have any interest in the platform? Again, the link below is in the description. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this quick recap. And guys, come on, man. Let's get to financial freedom. Let's keep taking that one-time income and turning that in to passive income, guys. So like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.